check out what was discovered here today on the farmstead. Beautiful baby birds, which are not babies hardly anymore. There are 5 large birds in this nest, which is quite interesting. I don't know how they all squeeze in there. The 5th one is hard to see. Its head is lying down just in the very back. But these baby birds are almost ready to fly. It is interesting to see how every bird builds their nest differently, don't you think? And just a note, do not get too close because Mama Bird will not be happy. Please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. I can't wait to see you on our next journey as we explore a journey through an Appalachian heart.